Hello, my Picassos. I have a super fun drawing for you today. It's a baby. Just kidding. We're going to draw Baby Saja from KPop Demon Hunters. So grab your markers and colors and let's get started. But wait, before we move forward, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Okay, here we go. Start with Baby Saja's jaw, like a letter V. Now draw his first ear. Now draw his hat front, like a crescent moon shape. Let's draw the other ear and then his beautiful hair. Outline his eyes. And add 2 tiny dots for his nose. Draw his thin neck and his shirt's collars. Baby Saja really is such a baby. Now the shoulders, arms, and jumper. Draw his trousers and his shoes. Don't forget his hands. Add the little shirt peeking out from his jumper. And let's give his jumper some fun diamond designs. Time to color. Yellow for the headband. Teal for the hair, eyebrows, collars, and shirt. Beige for his face and hands. Now, let's give him a cute smile. Teal and black for the eyes. I will tell you some fun facts about Baby Saja. Baby Saja is a superstar rapper, just like a real K-pop idol. He can even transform into a magical demon form. He can teleport, levitate, and make floating hearts appear. How cool is that? He looks super cute and sweet, but his demon form is powerful and surprising. Now let's finish coloring. Pink for his jumper. Pink and teal for his shoes. Don't forget the laces. Light pink and purple for the diamonds. Purple for his trousers. Add some dark green lines for his hair strands. And last, some neat border lines on his jumper. Our baby Saja is ready and he looks so cute. Well done, little Picassos. See you in the next drawing adventure. Until then, keep drawing. Bye.